Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss Norwegian for business, key phrases for professionals. Before diving into the key phrases for business, it's essential to understand a few things about the Norwegian language and culture. Norwegian is a North Germanic language closely related to Swedish and Danish. Although most Norwegians are proficient in English, it's considered respectful to make an effort to speak Norwegian. Additionally, Norwegians value punctuality, honesty, and directness in business interactions. Starting with some basic Norwegian phrases is essential to help you initiate a conversation with your Norwegian business associates. Hello and goodbye. Hi, hi, hi. Hello. Ha det, ha det, ha det. Goodbye. Introducing yourself. Mitt navn er, mitt navn er, mitt navn er. My name is. Jeg jobber for, jeg jobber for, jeg jobber for. I work for. Asking questions. Unnskyld meg, kan jeg spørre deg om noe? Unnskyld meg, kan jeg spørre deg om noe? Unnskyld meg, kan jeg spørre deg om noe? Excuse me, may I ask you something? Kan du snakke engelsk? Kan du snakke engelsk? Kan du snakke engelsk? Do you speak English? Business meetings. Norwegians are known for their punctuality and expect the same from others. Arrive on time for business meetings, if not a few minutes early. Arriving and greeting. God morgen. God morgen. God morgen. Good morning. God ettermiddag. God ettermiddag. God ettermiddag. Good afternoon. Takk for at du tok deg tid til å møte meg. Takk for at du tok deg tid til å møte meg. Takk for at du tok deg tid til å møte meg. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. Discussing business. Hva kan jeg hjelpe deg med? Hva kan jeg hjelpe deg med? Hva kan jeg hjelpe deg med? How can I assist you? Vi ønsker å diskutere et mulig samarbeid. Vi ønsker å diskutere et mulig samarbeid. Vi ønsker å diskutere et mulig samarbeid. We would like to discuss a potential collaboration. Closing the meeting. Takk for møtet. Takk for møtet. Takk for møtet. Thank you for the meeting. Vi holder kontakten. Vi holder kontakten. Vi holder kontakten. We will keep in touch. Learning Norwegian phrases for business can help professionals establish better relationships with Norwegian associates and create opportunities for growth and expansion. Understanding the Norwegian culture, values, and language is crucial to communicate effectively. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,